Hello, we will solve few questions on capacitors and capacitance. This is the first question. A 10-volt battery is connected to three capacitors. C1 equal to 2 microfarad, C2 equal to 3 microfarad, C3 equal to 5 microfarad as shown. The total charge of the circuit is dash. Four options are given. Option A 15 microcoulomb, B 50 microcoulomb, C 25 microcoulomb and D 10 microcoulomb. This is the figure. We'll see how to solve this question. For solving this question, the basic concepts used are capacitors in series and parallel and charge. The formula to find charge is Q equal to C into V, where C is the effective capacitance and V is the potential. We'll solve the circuit. Here 2 microfarad capacitor and 3 microfarad capacitor are connected in parallel. Therefore, we can use the formula C dash is equal to 2 plus 3, that is sum of the two capacitors connected in parallel. 2 plus 3 will give 5 microfarad. This 5 microfarad capacitor will be in series with C3, which value is equal to 5 microfarad. So we will get 1 by C double dash equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Which is equal to 2 by 5. We have to find C double dash and the value will be 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5 microfarad. This will be the final circuit. Now we have to find the total charge of the circuit. We all know the formula to find charge is capacitance into V. Here capacitance value is 2.5 microfarad and voltage is 10 volt. So Q will be 2.5 into 10. We get 25 microcoulomb. So option C is the correct answer. We'll move on to the next question. The question is, capacitance C of a capacitor is option A, independent of charge and potential of the capacitor, B, dependent on the charge and independent of potential of the capacitor, C, independent of the geometrical configuration of the capacitor, and D, independent of dielectric medium between the two conducting surfaces of the capacitor. Please think about the answer. Hope you have got the answer. For this question, the basic formula used is Q equal to C into V. That means For a given potential, the maximum charge that can be given to the capacitor is Q. If another potential is applied, another charge will be obtained for the same capacitor. So, the capacitance is independent of the charge and potential and depends on the geometry of the capacitor and the dielectric medium in the capacitor. So, among the 4 options, option A is the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Check with us for more videos. Thank you.